An early morning flight
Saw some flashing green lights,
that went very wrong.
a couple of steady lights,
We're not showing the face of this witness to protect his identity.
and I realized it was a drone.
It was about 5:45 Monday morning.
I pulled in and looked around.
The witness says he was near Brunswick Academy, a private school. It was still dark outside when the flight is believed to have gone off course.
Green light was just on the ground, and a car pulled around behind me, came around, and went up the driveway down. The passenger door opened up, and they scooped it up, and they moved on.
But they missed this. So with daylight,
That's when they found this big bundled package.
sitting here in the parking lot of the school.
It weighs about 5 pounds. It's wrapped in black electrical tape, and it has a hooking device.
Which is within sight of the Lawrenceville Correctional Center.
Based on history and based on intel, we're quite confident the package was supposed to go inside the Lawrenceville Correctional Center, the GO prison, we call it.
Not the first time the sheriff's office made aware of drone flights near the prison.
It's something that has been going on there quite frequently. I understand that drones are coming in and dropping these packages inside the fence area.
This time, though, sheriff's investigators have the opportunity to look inside.
The biggest bulk of it was a very large quantity of marijuana, about 3 pounds of marijuana. And then the next larger bulk was loose tobacco. It's just tobacco, ground up tobacco, about 1 pound of that.
And packaged inside the marijuana, 3 cell phones. Total value of the package, if it had made it inside the prison, $18,000. In a statement to CBS 6, the company running the prison says, "We are committed to working with the Virginia Department of Corrections and local law enforcement to address the challenges related to the introduction of contraband using drones."
Unbelievable, but how common is this these days? Donald Schweitzer, this is, they're always looking for an angle, right? Always.
We've entered into a new era, Vinny. It's the cat and mouse game using drones. And it's kind of scary because these drones could also drop off dangerous weapons and, drugs, hardcore drugs. You saw this was near a school, so it's not a scenario that I like. I think that these things could be investigated, though. Like in this case here, you have these cell phones and you've got plastic. So there's got to be some forensics. And possibly the security cameras in a neighborhood could track down people that are in the area, with these type of devices. So I don't think it's a, get out of jail free type of crime. They can be investigated.
It's really fascinating to watch as they're always looking for another way to do it. It used to be, someone would come visit you in prison and they would, bring something in. It was like they put a nail file in the birthday cake, right, Dr. Taylor? And that was the old-fashioned way.
Absolutely.
Now we're droning the stuff in.
That is still very popular. Yes. That is still very popular to move items through. Huge profit margin. It keeps these prisons dangerous.